Samuel Taylor Coleridge once said, "Poetry is the best words in the best order." But poetry is more than just words. It's a bridge that connects people. That's why, in 1999, UNESCO established World Poetry Day on the 21st of March. The purpose was simple: to encourage people to read, write, and appreciate poems. This year's theme is Poetry as a Bridge for Peace and Inclusion. In a divided world, poetry unites us, capturing society's struggles, joys, and milestones. In fact, the world's shortest poem, titled Me, We, by Muhammad Ali, consists of just 2 words symbolizing unity. While this was about the shortest poem, did you know that the world's longest poem was written in India? It's the Mahabharata, with over 100,000 verses. Indian poetry is incomplete without talking about the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, along with other poets like Amrita Pritam, Subramanya Bharati, Mahadevi Verma, and Gulzar, whose verses beautifully captured Indian culture. Poetry influences all aspects of life, from history to cinema, resonating with people from all walks of society. Here's a fun fact: the iconic song "Main Pal Do Pal Ka Shair Hoon" is originally a poem by the legendary Indian poet Sahir Ludhianvi. Can you find more such poems? For more such interesting content, follow us on our digital handles.